What magical fun is happening here?
Oh dear.
He tried so hard!
It's okay, little one. You'll get it next time.
You are doing great, little one. Keep going.
The next garden party.
Golden Kitten twirls gracefully, her tail spinning like a ribbon. The animals stop to watch, surprised and delighted.
All the animals cheer for Golden Kitten. Mama Golden Cat rushes forward, hugging her tightly, eyes shining with pride. That night, Golden Kitten dances happily in their living room while Mama Golden Cat watches with a smile, clapping to the rhythm.